Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Well, this is take two because I recorded this once already and something went wrong on my phone, so I'm going to start again. Today I want to share with you these little, they're mini loaded flat mail pockets. So it's nice to be able to just send some flat mail to someone, and then it's not too expensive. So these, I've kept everything very flat, and they're really easy to put together. So they're just made from a piece of 5-inch by 12-inch scrapbook paper. And I had a sample, but I've already put it together because like I said, I did this video once already and it didn't work. But anyways, I'll just show you these pockets that I've done. So this first one, I used double-sided paper. I've embellished it with some little fancy cutout here with some pretty words on it. It says embrace the journey, look on the bright side of life, let's wander, enjoy the journey, those kinds of sentiments. I used a little flower embellishment. The pocket has like 3 little tuck spots here, so there's one on the bottom here, and I put one of these little matchbook flips that I made before in another video. Where there is love, there is life, and just opens like this, so it gives them a little cute little notepad to use, and that just tucks up in there like that. In this pocket, there's a little pocket at the top. You can just slide, just big enough to slide gift tags in, or tags of whatever sort you like. So this first one, I've got a travel gift tag there. I've got a little vintage teapot that just slides in there. This is a bookmark that I put together. I just cut out some ephemera that was in one of the scrapbook papers that I had. Added some ribbon and a couple of tags. I cut this one out myself, and then this one was a pre-made tag that I had. Just kind of tuck those in there. Then on the back, I've added an envelope that I made. This one was from a 6x6 piece of paper. I added a little sticker on there, a vintage sticker. I cut out this little heart. I used my fancy scissors on that. Added several pieces of scrapbook paper, just little 3x3 squares here. A little washi sample with some pineapples on it. And just kind of kept it simple on the back, but the point is to keep it all flat so that it's easy to send. So that's that one. And then the second one I've done is the double-sided scrapbooking paper again. It's kind of in the vintage papers. Then I've added another of these little matchbook flips inside this one. It says, I think of you and smile. Tuck that in there. The front is similar to the other one with the words, sentiments on there, and the little flower. And then in here I've just got some more ephemera pieces, like this says, you are lovely. Another bookmark that I made there, or just cut out. Added some ribbon with the pretty rose. I've got several tags that I've cut out here, a little journaling card, gift tags. And on the back, I've got, it's got a little flower that someone had cut out for me and sent to me, so I put that in there. Another little journaling card here that I cut out from some ephemera. Dreams do come true. And another little piece there, and then the washi tape sample again with the pineapples. I think they turned out really cute, and they're nice and flat to send to someone. And they're super easy to make. I will pause this now and then see if I can put another one together quickly. Thanks for watching. Okay, so what you're going to do is take your 5 inches by 12 piece of paper. You're going to start on the wrong side, and then you're going to fold it up to measure 3 inches, like so. And you're going to flip it over to the right side, and you're going to fold that up again 3 inches. And there you're going to have this, and then you're going to flip it around, and this will be the bottom. And then what I did is take my 1.5 inch paper punch and just kind of eyeball it here and make a little notch in the top like this. And then all you're going to do is put some tape along here and along here. You press that down, then you open this, you put some tape here and here, and you're going to press that down. And then you will have a pocket like this. And I had already done one as a sample right here. So this one I did not use the double-sided, but it's just an example to show you. And so then your pocket's pretty much done. And you can add either an envelope on the back for this side, or you could just cut a piece of your scrapbook paper and tape that on the bottom there just to make a little third pocket where you could tuck a few more things on the back. So it's so simple, you know, just you could try a couple and I'm sure you'll have it down in no time. So thanks for watching. Hope you have a great day. Bye now.